Hey guys, what's up? This is Amit again, and I just want to say thank you about yesterday. The support is just amazing. Thank you so much. Now, in this episode 2, I want to work on the events. What are events? We will learn everything today about them. Okay, so I will go to my main desktop. Okay, now this is our code from per previous episode. Sorry if I don't know how to pronounce it. Okay, so let's up to our docs and let's see the events. So I already opened it up. Okay, so all these things are events. Okay, I showcased them at episode 1. So let's start with the basics. Whenever I type, the bot will tell me I'm typing, right? This is a useless event. My opinion, you don't really need this, but just for practice, So let's copy this. Let's build now our event form, okay? So, client.on. This is the event name. Async arrow function, of course. Okay, good. Now, inside this parentheses, we need to insert our parameters, right? So we have channel, okay, channel and user. So let's start. Channel and user, good. Now, whenever someone types, I want the bot to tell that is typing. So let's get our channel ID and start by this. We don't have message defined here, so we can do message.channel. We will tell the client to get this channel by his ID. If you don't know how to get IDs, go to settings, appearance, developer mode enabled, guys. Okay, now client.channels. Channels is a collection. Okay, channels dot get. Let's get it by the IP. You can find it by name, but get is a lot easier in this situation. Okay, good. And now we send. So let's do this. User started to type at channel. Why not? Okay, let's boot up our bot. Nodemon, no errors, great. Okay, let's type. You see? The onlyards started to type at Ars tutorial. Now, if you don't want the bot to mention you, and this is a useful thing, just add dot tag. This tag will, wow guys, sorry. This tag will add the discriminator, the hashtag end, and won't mention you, like this. Okay, you see, it doesn't mention me. Good. This is basic event, right? So let's do this right now. Let's work on the stop, right? So client.on typing stop, okay? Whenever we stop to type, the bot will tell us. So async, I'm guessing it is the same parameters. Channel, user, semicolon, good. Now we need to send whenever someone is stopping. Client dot channels get, okay, this is our ID, send temple literals. This is important, don't do double quotes or quotes. user, again I don't want them to mention me, user.tag stop typing inside okay, I don't want them to tag the actual channel, so channel.name. Good. Okay, let's see. We will type and stop typing. Let's see, the bot is recognized, you're stopping. Okay, good. Downloads stop typing inside our tutorial. Great. This is very good for the start. So now we have the idea of how event form looks like, right? So now we can build many events. Let's take for example another. So I will just build the form. Okay, this is basic event form. Here we are typing the name, here the parameters. So let's go to our docs. Okay, let's do I can't do guild member add. Okay, no, I will do guild member guild guild member remove. This will tell us whenever someone exit the guild. Okay, so guild member remove parameters member. Good. Okay, now we want to get our log channel, so our channel will be client.channels. Again, this is our collection. Let's see. Okay, this is our ID. Okay, now we need to send wool this member remove from the guild. So let's do I like the bold, so member dot tag. We don't want them to mention, because you can't mention someone who isn't here. Just left guild name. Yeah, so you will notice if I will put the bot that guild is not defined. Okay, so if someone will exit the guild now, the bot will crash because guild is not defined. How we define guild? We are doing this. Let guild. This is how we create a variable, right? So let guild equals member dot guild. If you will go to the docs and type member, okay, guild member is a class, so we can define guild with member. This is a very important thing to know. Same with message. Okay, so let guild equals message.guild, right? So now we have the guild object too. If you tried to learn JavaScript basics, you will notice I'm not using var, right? Var is another way to mention a variable. I'm using let. You can read why I'm using let and not var. Const is another way to define it. Okay, so I will add semicolon. Okay, now we have another event, guys. I want to trigger this event with another event, so client.on. Again, same form, guys. I'm not changing anything, just the parameters and the name, of course. Okay, this is our form again. We will go ahead here. So guild member ban. Okay, this is our event. So I'll go ahead. Guild member. Where is the ban? In guild ban add. Okay, this will give us the guild. Okay, and the user who the bot just banned. Let's go here. So guild ban add. Okay, we are adding the ban. If the ban is added to the list, we need to know, right? So async user and guild, right? This is our parameters. Now the order isn't change anything. Okay, now let's go ahead do this. Client.channels.get client.channels.get .send. Let me see if I can format the code. I will just drop a line. No, you know what? Okay, .send member.tag. I want this symbol. Just banned from the name of the server. So guild.name. Yes, this is a thing. Guild.name. Okay. Let's see. So we will ban someone right now. We will ban. Let's see. I don't need. Okay. Ban. I will use my bot. Ban Taffy. I will ban him for 1 second. No, listen. Okay, undefined. Undefined. What happened? Member is not defined. Oh no. It's user.tag. I'm stupid. Let's see. Undefined member. Okay. Ban spider. I'm just banning people that are here for testing. Okay. Undefined just got banned from undefined. Weird. This works. Okay. Why guild.name is undefined? Oh, I think I know. Wait. Guild.name. I will leave this as a guild. Okay. So something happened. This is the name of the guild. User. Okay, something messed up with this comment, but it still works, I guess. I'm sorry for this, guys. Let's move on. Okay. So today we learned how we can use events. Events are really useful. As you can see on my bot as events right here. Yeah, mod logs. Basically, I want to work on command handler. Tomorrow we will work on a command handler. This is basically every command will be in a different file. Okay. So, wow, guys, I can't talk. Sorry. Remember, I told you that we need to get the response time. So let's do it right now. Okay. So I will do this. Pinging. And if you don't know, big part of Discord.js using promises, so I can do then I can give this variable every name. I can use this. I will go with v. I will open like this function. Okay, good. Now we will do message. No, v.edit. Okay, we need to edit the message to the ping. Okay, it took me. Okay, now we will do like this. V dot created time stamp minus message dot created timestamp. Okay, I think that's how it works. Let's type here ms because it is milliseconds. So let's do this ping. Oh, none ms. What is wrong? I will come back to you guys in a second. Okay guys, so I actually figured it out. I didn't do this right. So send.edit, send.create a timestamp minus message dot created timestamp. This should work. I don't know why it didn't work before, but let's try this. So I will do ping. Okay, pond took us 616 milliseconds. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this episode and you learned how to get a response time and how to use events. Events is as a similar form for everything, for every event. So I know maybe this episode was boring, but we will work on command handler, send moderation logs, moderation system, sorry, ban mutes. The ban and the mutes will be timed, soft band, very useful things to a moderation bot. So see ya guys in the next episode.